Let's rapid fire this bitch. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? We had to come to the shooting range today. You know, the desert closed because of all the, I guess it's too hot out here, so they got a fire ban in the desert, so we can't shoot in the desert. But we here at the shooting range. Got the Glock 19, AM-15. Haven't shot in over a year, so let's see what it do. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, we about to put a 15 round magazine through it right now. It did good last time. It probably ain't gonna give me no problem this time. It did just jam though. One time. That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna keep shooting this Glock, right? I'm gonna keep shooting this Glock. I got a new toy I'm gonna show y'all though. But first I'm about to finish shooting this Glock. I ain't shot this Glock in over a year. So we about to keep playing with this. I'm gonna show y'all the target after. I'm busting that bit up. I ain't and let's see. What this is, 11 yards. 11 yards. I haven't shot a gun in over a year. Got 11 yards. Not too bad. I'm about to try to shoot the middle of this bad boy. Yo, it's hot. It's like 100 degrees out here. But this shooting range is dope. Okay. Alright, bro. We gonna try this Vector magazine again. This shit kept jamming. I hope it ain't this high ass magazine. I paid $80, $75 for this magazine. For this shit to jam. Let's try to get, man, let's see what's up, bro. Dumbass. See? It gotta be the spring or something in this shit. It's not even putting a bullet in the thing. That's crazy. Let's try this one more time, bro. Sheesh. I'm not about to play with that shit, man. Watch this. Take these bullets out. Oh yeah, see? It's not even coming up. I wish y'all could look. Y'all can't see the inside of this, but the spring is jammed down in the bottom of that shit. I don't know if it's a button on pressing or what. If it is, comment down in the comment section. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong with this magazine or something. It's that magazine though, y'all. It's that magazine. Every time I shoot, it's not pushing the top. That's a waste of $75. Waste of $75.
4 shots, that's not bad. Damn.
Alright, y'all. So look. I took all the bullets out of this magazine. But the damn magazine, like the spring, look.
See what the FAL can do.
It's literally broke. It's literally broke. That's crazy. I just paid $75 for that. Alright. Let me show y'all it's not the Glock. It's not the Glock. Glock's gonna shoot, boy. It's just damn, magazine, like what the fuck? Damn, bro. You can't even get a return. Can't get no exchange, nothing. That's crazy. I ain't gonna trash it. I'm gonna mess with it, y'all, cause it gotta be something. All right. I showed it at the beginning. We got a Glock 19. It's a Glock 48. Glock 48, not Glock 19. We got a Glock 48. Pink Glock 48. Let's get it. See what this thing do, man. This is my first time firing this gun, too, so let's see. Ooh, y'all seen that flinch? With the last one? Damn, that bit didn't light back when that bit empty, boy. What? Yeah, that bit good. It's cool. It's smooth though. Alright, y'all. So I got the spring unstuck. Let's see if I can send it through without it jamming. Or if it even put it back in my thing. Let's see. Yeah. 1 out of 25. And the screen came back up. Alright, bro. I told y'all I was gonna shoot this shit out. But I ain't shoot this shit all the way out. But y'all see, man. First day back shooting in a year. Can't beat that shit. I don't think I missed too many either, boy. But I'm about to show y'all that new surprise. I'm about to show y'all that big. Alright. So I got the targets changed. We about to bring out that AR pistol and see what that boy do. I ain't shot it yet. I just bought it today, y'all. A little $500 steal. We about to see what it could do. The moment I've been waiting for the past 5 days. Woo! No jamming. I ain't gonna lie, you ain't aiming with this. It's gonna take some practice to aim with this. Jeez. It's gonna take some practice to aim with this thing, boy. What? Jeez. Nah, that shit tight though. That bit hit. You gonna need some practice to aim. Alright, y'all. So the range closed at 5, y'all. We gotta hurry up to get this done, y'all. So let's knock this out, man. That boy, yeah. Alright, y'all. If y'all like what y'all seen today, make sure y'all subscribe, comment, like the video. I gotta pick up the brass. We responsible for picking up the brass, so.
Are you guys done shooting?
Yes, sir. We done.
Okay, I'm gonna make the line cold so you can clean up brass and pull in your target.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's it, y'all. Make sure y'all like the video, comment, and subscribe on the video, y'all. I'm about to pick up all this brass and head to the crib, get these guns wiped down, call it a day. Imagine. This is gonna be my favorite one. This is gonna be my favorite magazine. But yeah, like I said, y'all, it's hot as shit out here. So we out. Appreciate y'all.
That fool Drayden did it again.